Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Animal Jam. It's a really cool game. It's really good. I approve it for you. If you really want Animal Jam, it's a great game for you guys. So if you guys want it, then lots of stuff off the members. And it's great being a member of Animal Jam. There's the jam. There's the jam wall. You can send animated emojis or emotes, whatever you like to call them. But when you're just a regular jammer, you just have to, send the stiff ones that don't move at all. So now, this is a great place. And is there any stuff I want to recycle? I don't think I want to recycle anything, really. Wow. Okay, now, let us know. I don't really want to let you know, but thanks for asking, yes. So, we got a cupcake tower, and it's like, I have a donut couch, it's great, and here's a couch that we threw out. Okay. So, yeah. Let's see, the Rockstar Dance Bash. Is there any, sort of trading parties? Well, I think you can trade in this party, so, yeah. Trade me, and where did I look? No, Hiya. Oh wow, you're a crocodile. Say hi if you have a masterpiece. Okay, now. Okay. You want butterfly wings because I got them on trade. We do have butterfly wings on trade. So, guys, if you ever see me on Animal Jam, if you ever want to see me on Animal Jam, then here are all my animals that I have. I do have another animal down here, so don't forget this one. So if you ever want to see me on Animal Jam, chat, become buddies. My buddy list isn't even almost full yet. So make sure you just go check it out. There's an inbox that's one of my buddies that recently did. You just sent something to a YouTuber. Wow, you're so lucky. Wow, there's tomatoes and a popcorn machine? Wow. Why is there a popcorn machine? What is this? This is a party shop. There's a fire pit. There's a fire pot. Aren't those just both the same? Oh my gosh, it's a skateboard. I want the skateboard. So, wow, that looks full of good. Well, I just want one of that, wow, that Phantom one. Wow, those are just amazing choices. How about, I want that one with the Phantom. There we go, I just bought a skateboard. There we go. So if you if you were in this party, then hello. So you just got featured on YouTube. So now, is there any? I'm gonna play Best Dressed. Okay. It needs to be an ocean animal. No, that's something Honey Dolphin. Trade me, please. Okay. Can I trade any for me? Any good stuff? 0 animals. Wow, they're amazing. Let's see if anybody wants to trade. He has done animals and achievements. Did someone really let you just sneak into your privacy like that? That's just animalism. Come on, what? Sir? Yeah? Hello, people, and I'm gonna go to Pawndale. Okay, I don't want to become an ocean animal. Maybe I'll just, like, Oh, so the animal gets darker. The Arctic wolf looks great. Why did it keep on asking me to play Best Dressed? You know what? I'm just gonna get an ocean animal. Yeah, I'm just gonna get an ocean animal. Yeah. Which ocean animal do perhaps I get? I'm gonna get I'm gonna. Has crocodiles in Animal Jam? I'm gonna get a shark. That just looks so creepy. Wow. Crashing. Rocky. Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Wow, what the heck? Can I, like, change my look now? This is just, dang, no, it's not. Wow, this is just, wow. That is creepy. This is all just so creepy. None of them look, like, cool or anything. Okay, now I'm just gonna give it some eyes, and then I'm gonna give it some, how about some flames? That's cool. Wow, are you a dolphin or you're a dolphin and you're not like a shark? Wow, this is bugged out. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.